Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy, with millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Since we encourage you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the left door hinge on your dishwasher, be sure to turn off the power to the appliance. Using a flathead screwdriver, rotate the lower access panel fasteners counterclockwise a quarter turn to detach. Remove the access panel and the attached insulation. Determine if the water and power supply lines provide enough slack to move the dishwasher part way out of the cabinet. If not, you will need to fully uninstall the appliance. To do this, first shut off the water supply valve. Use channel lock pliers to unthread the water supply line elbow fitting from the inlet valve. Be prepared for some water to spill. Use a 1/4-inch hex head nut driver or a T20 Torx bit to unthread the screw, securing the terminal box cover. Remove the cover. Note the orientation of the power wires. Then untwist the wire nuts to disconnect the wires. Unthread the screw to release the grounding wire. Unthread the strain relief nut and detach the strain relief and the power wires from the terminal box. Next, disconnect the drain hose from the sink drain or garbage disposer and feed it through the cabinet. Open the dishwasher door and remove the mounting bracket screws. To move the dishwasher, you may need to adjust the legs to lower the appliance. Now gently pull the dishwasher part way out of the cabinet. Open the dishwasher door and use a T15 Torx bit to unthread all of the screws holding the inner and outer door panels together. Separate the panels and rotate the control board housing retaining latch out of the way. Use a small flathead screwdriver to gently pry back the mounting brackets to release the control board housing. To reduce strain on the control board wires, use a wire tie to secure the housing to the inner door panel. Lift off the outer door panel and be sure to latch the inner door panel. Unhook the hinge link and spring from the left door hinge. Detach the support rod from the hinge. Use a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver to unthread the mounting screws, securing the hinge to the inner door panel. Use pliers to pry back the hinge retaining tab. You can now rotate the old hinge forward to remove. Prepare the new door hinge for installation by transferring the friction sleeve from the old hinge to the new one. Position the new hinge on the hinge pin and align the component on the inner panel. Thread and tighten the mounting screws. Using a large flathead screwdriver, bend in the hinge retaining tab. Insert the support rod into the new hinge and hook on the hinge link and spring. Set the outer door panel on the hinges. Snap the control board housing into place on the outer panel and rotate the retaining latch down. Join the inner and outer door panels together and rethread all of the screws to secure. Confirm that the end of the drain hose is accessible through the cabinet wall. Then gently slide the dishwasher back into the cabinet. Adjust the leveling legs if necessary. Replace the screws to secure the mounting brackets to the cabinet or countertop. Feed the drain hose through the cabinet and connect it to the sink drain or garbage disposer. Make sure the hose is elevated above the connection point. Fully position the wires and strain relief in the terminal box. Then thread and tighten the strain relief nut. Secure the grounding wire with the screw. Join the black wires together and the white wires together and secure them with the wire nuts. With the wires positioned inside the terminal box, realign the cover and rethread the screw to secure. Reconnect the water supply line fitting to the inlet valve. Reposition the access panel, making sure the attached insulation does not interfere with the float assembly and the lower edge of the panel touches the floor. Secure the panel by rotating the fasteners clockwise a quarter turn. With the repair completed, turn the water supply back on, as well as the power, and your dishwasher should be ready for use. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.